Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you're probably going to get tired of hearing me talk about these failed EGR coolers for 6.7 Cummins, but too bad. I'm going to keep showing them to you. This is the importance of proper maintenance on your vehicle and just the crappy parts anyway. So I don't want to blame it all on the people, but you know, this thing's been sucking down some antifreeze for a little while. Now what I'm about to show you is going to show you just how bad it can get on the EGR cooler side. This is one of the worst ones you'll see, so bear with me for a moment and I'll flip around and show you. So this is the outlet to the EGR valve out of the cooler. It's really hard to see it, but down there in the bottom, you see how it's nice and polished? There's actually a puddle of coolant down there. You can see it all the way across. You can see how it's all scaled up all the way around. Now let me show you the other side. This is the exhaust manifold side. You can see how wet everything is. This thing's been drinking some coolant for a while. And this just goes to show you that if you notice that you're going through some coolant and you're not seeing any on the ground, you're not seeing any traces coming out from the usual suspect places, you got to consider that it's one of these EGR coolers right here. I've also been able to pull this guy off right here. That's the EGR bypass temperature sensor. You pull it off and you look up inside of that EGR bypass tube and you'll see that it's really clean or really sludgy. It looks wet. If it's really clean, it's usually a smaller leak. If it's wet, then it's a bigger leak. This truck right here, first thing I did was pulled that sensor when the customer said he's been going through coolant. So anyway, there's another EGR cooler, bites of dust. Another, I think they're 1,200 bucks. I don't know. I don't keep track of the prices. I just put the crap on. Anyway, have a good one. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.